This auction is for a SOG Powerlock multi-tool. It comes with a dark brown leather case by SOG. It is excellent condition, made in the USA. SOG is easy to use. You can do it with one hand. Open it up. Has the pliers with the wire cutters right there. On the inside, it also has additional multi-tools. It has the SOG V-cut. That's another tool that I'm not really very familiar with at all. And for more details, you can get the pictures above this video. It has a flathead screwdriver, and it also has a serrated knife. On the other side, has a file, a bottle opener, Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, a pointed edge, never really used that for anything, and then a saw. And you can check out this auction and many others at our eBay store. Get it now upon 1500. Thanks so much.